Good evening. Welcome back to Rineyville Elementary School. We're having a great turnout tonight for our open house. We're thrilled to see all of our students back. New families, welcome to Rineyville. We are glad you're making us home. We look forward to seeing everyone soon.
I'm Nick Green. I'm from North Hardin High School. I'm a sophomore. I'm here at Rineyville Elementary School with Troop 620, and we're here to serve our students and parents with popcorn and water.
Hello, my name is Austin Elms with Cub Scout Pack 488, and we meet at Radcliffe Presbyterian Church every Monday at 6 in the afternoon. If you need any more information, you can contact us at the number 270-219-9143.
Hi, I'm Annie Rudick. I'm here for Rineyville Youth Soccer, and we are currently signing up for our fall season, which starts just around Labor Day. Our registration goes through this Sunday, and you can register online at rineyvillesoccer.org. Our games are held here in Rineyville, but also we travel and play in Radcliffe and also in Vine Grove. We're always looking for kids to play as well as volunteers to referee or coach. So if you're interested, please reach out on our website, rineyvillesoccer.org.
Hello, I'm Chastity Hancock from Mission Hope for Kids. We are an after-school program from 2:15 to 6:30. We offer a safe place for your children, and it's all free. And we do tutoring, have snack time, dinner time. We have computer lab and literacy. We're big on academics, and we would love to have you. And today we are here giving out books because we promote reading and doing your homework. And we are at 401 West Popular Street in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. And here's our flyer. And we would love to have you. And we are so excited to be here today at Open House at Rineyville.
My name is Jennifer Cheney. I'm here with Oliva Burks, and we're representing the Healthy Kids Clinic through Cumberland Family Medical Center. We're here gathering in information from parents about the students and medications that they take, and also letting them know the services that are offered through this school year. The nurse practitioners are able to see students if they need them. The nurses, they're offering dental and behavioral services this year. So if you need any of us, make sure y'all come by and see us.
Now we have our talented transportation department here at Rineyville Elementary. They've been helping parents figure out what bus routes their children will be riding. Everyone be patient for the first few weeks of school because everybody's getting settled in on the routes. Make sure you slow down and follow the speed limits. And also, if you have any questions, you can call the bus garage at 270-769-8890 or go online and find your bus route there.
My name is Kayla Haynes, and I'm a Rineyville school student. And we are selling shirts that for 50 cents that were from previous years to make more room for our storage area, to get more room for new equipment and school supplies.
Hi, I'm Amy Chancellor. I'm the school counselor here at Rineyville Elementary. I'm here today to tell parents and talk to students about the different services that our counseling program can provide. We do weekly SEL lessons in classrooms, individual and group counseling. Parents can get a hold of me by emailing me or visiting the Rineyville School website and the counselor page to submit a referral.